Hi, hello, welcoming all. In this class or in this lecture, we're gonna learn about the how to design the grills in the Revit. Basically, say for example, you want to design these kinds of, the grills in the Revit. How to do that? So let us explore. Let us do that in our class. So let me go to the one of the project which I'll open as the construction, and I'll take the architectural template. I'll get it open this way. Okay. Now I will go to the I'll go to the next is the model in place. I'll go to the click for the model in place. Now you have the different families which parameters and categories are available. I'll simply select the casework. Okay, I simply name this as the front grill design. Okay, basically these kinds of elevation definitely useful in when you want to beautify your building. So this kinds of the elevation or maybe the grill design is plays very important role, I would say. Okay, now I simply enter the front grill design. Okay, I entered this. Okay, now as soon as hit on the enter the after giving the name, this kinds of dashboard is going to open for you. There's one the extrusion, blends, revolve, sweep, and set blend, and void form. Okay, so now if you closely observe the design, you have the to say the square tubes, and you have made the one of the openings here with the circular. Okay, now let us create that. Let me go back. I'll say simply select one of the simple structure. I select the tube. I am a small tube of size is of say I'll rename this as the 40 by 40. Okay, I take this 40 by 40 tube. I select this and I'll click on the copy. I'll select it on the multiple. Okay, I copy this way and I give the 5 mm is the thick gap, and then once again now I'll select the 2, copy, select this way. Okay, now I'll select on the gap of, okay, now once again I select these, copy this. Okay, now once again I select all, Control C, copy, and you can just paste this way. Now once again I select these, copy, select multiple. Okay, now once again I select all of these, copy. Okay, so now you have created these kinds of the tubes, circular tubes. Now I'll go to the 3D view and I'll enable the fine, I'll enable the consistency color. Okay, now I simply select on the click on the finish edit. Okay, now by default you have the extrusion end as the 250 mm, but I wanted to do this for high, because if you closely observe, the height of the grills are more than 2 floors. Okay, so I'll simply enter this is roughly as 20 feet or maybe 6000 mm. I'll enter, click OK. Okay, now you can able to notice these kinds of grill or maybe the design has been created. Now if you want, you can just keep how much you want, or else you can eliminate the number of tubes. So as of now it's fine, looks fine. Now no, not to finish the finished model. Now once again I'll go to the create. Now once again I need to click on the extrusion. Now I need to select the plane area, which plane area you want to select. So I'll need to click on the set work plane, pick a plane, because I want to create the now circular opening here. Okay, now I need to select the plane this. Okay, now I select the simple and circular section here. I'll go to the front, I select this way, maybe I'll do this much, maybe I click on this, I'll this way. Okay, now I'll go to the offset because I want to create one of the film here. I mean, like say if you go to the see here, there is a frame here on the surrounding. Okay, so in order to create that, I'll go to the offset. Maybe I'll enter the 40 mm as the offset. Okay, okay, now I'm simply click on okay. Now if you closely observe the rotation, as of now the extrusion end starts with 0 and it goes up to 250 mm. I can, because if I want to say, for example, I'm in the left side, elevation, I want to extend this projection till behind the back. Means what I'm supposed to do, I need to give the extrusion in the negative value. Means say for example minus 50. Okay, the value has been extended back. See here, you can able to notice, I mean the shape has been extended back. At the same time I want to reduce the front depth as well. Okay, now I'll say I'll give the 40 mm. Okay, now if you go to the front, you have this kinds of design has been now added. So basically now I have added the tubes, square tubes, then I have added the circular. Now I want to make this open. How to do that? As we discussed in the previous section as well, just to make any of the make the opening, I can use the void forms. That's we call it as a void. Okay, now I'm just simply selecting on the void extrusion. I'm making sure that I'm in the exactly on the front face. Now if you want, you can just see the face. The work plane is perfectly fine. Now I need to select the lines. Okay, now I'll simply click on the pick a line, or else I can just draw, that is fine, but I'll simply, just to save the time, I'll select on the click pick a lines. So I want this one line and this line. So the inner circle has been now created. Now this are given the command or the tool as like inside to be open. Now I'm simply click on OK. Now I'm simply rotating this way. See here. So the center portion has been open, right? So accordingly you can do that, because as of now I have made it is open this much as just to show the demo. How much you want, maybe half of the grill size you want, you can create and reduce the dia of the circle, and you can just make how you want to keep in your architectural view. So basically this is how it's going to use in the Revit. So there are these kinds of many other tools which are, I mean the you can try the designs and you will understand much. So hope you understood these kinds of design in the Revit. So and you try to practice, and let's catch up in the next module.